Hi everyone, this is Miss Felice. I'm going to help you figure out how to solve some GCF and LCM word problems. So when you read these problems, it's super important that you pay close attention to the wording. I'm going to highlight some keywords and numbers as we go. So problem number 1 says a florist has 49 red roses and 63 white roses. The florist wants to put an equal number of red roses in each centerpiece. Equal, that's important. Along with an equal number of white roses in each, using all the flowers. What is the greatest number of centerpieces? That's important. The florist can make. And how many of each flower will they have? Okay, so 49 red roses and 63 white roses. We want to make the greatest number of centerpieces that we can. I see a keyword that will help me determine if this is GCF or LCM, because that's what we need to figure out first. Do I want the GCF or do I want the LCM? Well, here's a big hint. I see the word greatest. Greatest is in the phrase greatest common factor. GCF. Greatest or largest is another keyword that we could have used. Largest, greatest, that means we want greatest common factor. So I need to figure out the greatest common factor between 49 and 63. You can list out all your factors if you want. So 49, we have 1 times 49, and we have 7 times 7. Are there any others? No. Then I have 63. Oh, that's not a 3. 63. My factors would be 1 times 63. I know we have, what else do we have? We have 9 times 7. We have 3 times 21. And I believe that is it. So my greatest common factor I see is 7. So if that's my GCF, that means I can make 7 centerpieces. Centerpieces. If I can make 7 centerpieces, how many of each flower will be in each centerpiece? If I have 49 roses and I divide that up into 7 centerpieces, doesn't that mean I'm going to have 7 red roses in each? And then if I have 63 white roses and I divide that into 7 centerpieces, I'm going to have 9 white roses in each. So there we go. So the key here is to look for those words. The words greatest, largest, biggest, that all means greatest common factor. In number 2, it's going to be the opposite. So in number 2, Grant is making muffins for a reunion. The recipe for blueberry muffins makes 12 muffins. Blueberry muffins makes 12, that recipe. The recipe for bran muffins makes 18, okay? He wants to make the same number of each kind of muffin using only full recipes. What is the least, keyword, what is the least number of batches of each type of muffin Grant should make? Okay, so we know that the blueberry, for the blueberry muffin, that makes 12. And for the bran muffin, I'm going to put BR for bran, that makes 18. I want to know what's the least number of batches of each type of muffin Grant should make. Well, least is keyword for least common multiple. So I want the least common multiple here. If Grant makes 1 batch of blueberries, he'll have 12 muffins. If he makes 2 batches, he'll have 24 muffins. If he makes 3 batches, he'll have 36 muffins. If he makes 4 batches, he'll have 48 muffins. I'm going to pause here and start looking for multiples for bran muffins. So 1 batch of bran muffin makes 18. The second batch of bran muffins makes 36. And wait, hey, I just found my least common multiple, 36. So for blueberries, that would be 1, 2, 3 batches of blueberry. So let me write that. 3 batches of blueberry. Guess I should have typed this, right? Of blueberry. And for the bran muffin, that would be 1, 2 batches. So 2 batches of bran muffins. Okay, so hopefully this helps you figure out the difference between looking for GCF and looking for LCM. Thanks for watching.